I have visualized and analyzed data in this dashboard. I created it using the Python library Plotly Dash, and it has one input component, that is slider. By selecting or changing any value from this slider, all data on this dashboard is changed. In this table, I have retrieved font awesome icons. This bar graph shows total sales for each category in each year, and this table shows percentage share of each rated category in each year, and this pie chart shows sales by rating category in each year. This application is also responsive. By decreasing or increasing the size of browsers, all grids are automatically adjusted.